first goat fuck, Mr. Campbell. I've been doing this kind of thing for quite some time. Sitting here, or other places when deemed appropriate for the occasion, talking to dickheads such as yourself about life and death and why exactly we have come to the situation at which we find ourselves seated. Any ideas?
No. Stop.
Oh. Yeah, I don't envy you or your situation at all. Nor do I pity you. So you can feel justified in knowing that though up until now you lived a life not fit for a dog, your death, at least, will have some ring of honor to it. Oh, yeah. Crying don't help, by the way.
Please.
And that goes double for bargaining and pleas of mercy. Such selfish propositions are going to fall on deaf ears. Just as acts of so-called fucking justice are consummated by a blindfolded, cuntless bitch, with a scale in one hand and a sword of fucking Damocles in the other. I, however, can see everything. And I do, in fact, use my kind when needed. It's a double-edged sword that goes both ways. Pun intended, by the way. Does that hurt? Don't get up. Damn it! I hate that shit!
Stop!
I hate that shit. I am the one pussy here, right? Right? Shh. Alright, you know what? Fine. Fine. Fun's over. Okay?
Please stop.
Yeah.
Please.
You, sir, and I use that term so very loosely, are shiftless, thieving defecator of a man. So now, in the long-standing tradition of eye for an eye, lest we forget, tooth for a motherfucking tooth, I am going to steal from you your pathetic, sordid excuse for a contemptible fucking life with this here motherfucking chainsaw!
No!
I am going to cut you from stem to fucking stern!
No!
If you will stop being such a terrible about it and take your comeuppance like a man, I'll be quick. Lickety split. Like goose shit through a cat's ass. Shh. Alright? Ready? Yeah, ready. Okay. Alright. Here we go.